Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian. I live in Taiwan and I want to show you around. Today we are at Banpingsan in Kaohsiung. Banpingsan is part of the Shousan National Park. It's the northernmost part. There's a middle part, Guisan, and a southern part, Shousan. It is the largest part. Today we're at Banpingsan. Let's go. So we've been warned not to go up the mountain after dark. The climbing starts. There are a lot of stairs here. Looks like at one time this was all underwater, like a big coral reef. Some pretty cool rock formations here. It's fun to come back here. When we first moved here, I used to run this trail. It'd be quite a lot of fun. In the morning, seeing all the people walking it. There was this man, must have been in his 80s, that used to walk the east side trail every morning. Very impressed. Hard to imagine. I'm less than a kilometer away from a major train station, and I'm in the middle of a jungle. Now we're approaching one of the really interesting spots here. There's this space between some really big rocks. I feel like we're underwater here. This is such a cool space. Now it's raining. The weather report said it would rain, but didn't expect it while I would be here. Taiwan in the summertime. I used to meet an older gentleman who would run, or when I was running, who would walk this every day. Okay, so the sign back here says this is a natural path. This is the final section after all those stairs. Let's go. Have arrived to the top. To head down the east side, going this little path. The other one looks pretty muddy. We'll see. Probably going to have a bit of a mess on the way down. So this is definitely not what I expected. This trail, before they drove a big bulldozer over it and turned it into a mud pit, it used to be very wild and rocky. It was a lot of fun to come up, but now it's nice and smooth, and when it rains it turns into a big mud bath. I don't know if you can. Let's look at my shoes. Covered in mud. Ugh. To have some water. What do you think so far? Almost down to the end of the trail. I've changed my path. It looks like they're doing a lot of work, so I'm going to go down another way that they've improved, and it's a really nice path. Well, there you have it, Banping San Nature Park. This is where today's journey ends. Hope you enjoyed the trip. See you in the next one.